Hello, I'm Vince Reese with Plum Creek Funding here in Colorado. Been in the mortgage business for 17 years, still hanging in there. You can check me out at www.coloradomortgageguy.com. And I'm here with Liz Montoya, and we're on the, which property address?
466 Berwick in Firestone.
And Liz is one of the premier real estate agents down here in Firestone. And we have 7 open houses today, and we're hoping that we can get as many people down here to check out these great deals on these homes. Liz, how many bedrooms does this have?
This home is featuring 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Wow.
It's a recent remodel. It has granite countertops, beautiful new floors, brand new paint. It's a gorgeous home, needs to be looked at.
Very good. And as far as the community, I hear that there's a new library down here and that the community, the businesses are moving in.
Oh yeah, Firestone is growing. It's a great community to be in. You're going to start in at the hub and it's going to grow for the future.
And again, this is Liz Montoya and you are with?
Pro Realty, and you can reach me at 970-405-5061.
And again, my name is Vince Reese, the Colorado Mortgage Guy. That's coloradomortgageguy.com. And check out the website, check out Liz Montoya's listings. She has 30 listings, beautiful homes. Check them all out.